So let's practice one more questions. I have done this along with you guys, but question will be asked in this sense. Question is, calculate the atomic number of the element if whose nucleus has mass number of 12 and neutron 6. We have given with the data कि we are having an element इसके nucleus का mass जो that is 12 carry कर रहा है and neutron it is having 6. So we need to find the atomic number. So we have given with the mass number 12, neutron 6 and atomic number we need to go with mass number minus neutrons, that is 6. So which element is this? This is carbon. Fine. Another example we can also find with this case. For example, aluminium they have given us, magnesium they have given, same thing we need to follow with. Aluminium दे रखा है, this is the same example we need to forward if. तो mass number अगर बोला जाए, we know that mass number of aluminium is how much? 27. Fine. Because number of neutron is here is how many number of neutrons? Neutron जो है इस केस में 14 है अपने पास. Fine. So we need to find out the atomic number Z. Z is equal to mass number minus neutron. It will be 13. तो atomic number of aluminium is 13. तो अगर यहाँ पे आपसे atomic number पूछा गया, sometime it can be asked by mass number कि atomic number is given, number of neutron is this, find out the mass number. So then we need to do one thing. अगर we are going with the, we need to find mass number. तो क्या करेंगे? atomic number we are having plus number of neutron. We know number of neutron in case of aluminium is 14. 13 plus 14, then we'll find mass number, that is 27. So by applying these kind of formulas, rearranging of these concepts, we can getting the atomic number and mass numbers, and you guys are going to be asked the questions like this कि your data is provided to you, you need to going with the proceeding with the finding of atomic number, mass number, number of neutrons as per required concept. You need to apply the formula.